Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and doing a demo of the Hot Tools One-Step Volumizer Blowout Device. You can pick this up on Ulta, Amazon, or directly from the website. I'll have it linked below. So let's just hop right in. So first off, whenever you're going to use this product, I would say you want your hair to be about this wet to slightly damper. I was just really trying to kind of get dressed and ready for this video, so my hair dried a little bit more than I would have liked it to. So this device is very similar to the brush from Revlon, as well as some of the features I would say of the Dyson Airwrap. I don't own either of those products, but from what I've seen online, it looks pretty similar. This product went on sale at Ulta around the Christmas season, so I decided to pick one up, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So there's 3 different settings, cool, low, and high, and I pretty much always use the high setting. So I turn it on and I kind of just take each piece and I go back and forth. I do some smaller pieces, some bigger pieces, and really just kind of work to create that natural blowout slash like straighter look for my hair. As you can see, this product works really well with face framing layers and a little bang. So my hair was cut into layers that frame my face, so that kind of gives it this natural style. But I really love this product for how much volume it gives on the top of my hair. I have pretty fine hair, but I have a lot of it, so it's kind of deceptive. Like, my hair gets pretty oily quickly. And a hairdresser once told me, your hair is fine, but you have a lot of it. So I love how this product can dry my hair, straighten my hair, as well as give me some volume on top. This style really lasts all day. I don't have to spray it or anything. As you can see, there's really no frizz in my hair whatsoever. Now, I mean, it is January, so there's no humidity. In the summer, I would probably add some whey hair oil to my hair. But I just washed my hair with the Olaplex shampoo, and that's literally the only product I used. As you can see, this product does not make my hair frizzy like a traditional blow dryer. This product is so much cheaper than the Dyson Airwrap. I believe the cheapest place you can get it is on Amazon. It is a little bit cheaper on Amazon than it is on Ulta. Ulta has about 4 different options of these. And I got the one that was the Allure recommended, the Best of Beauty Allure winners. I think it was either 2020 or 2019. So I picked up that one, and I think they do have a smaller one as well. And then they have the 24 karat gold infused one, which I think that's like the new one. But that one is a little bit more expensive. So I don't really know what the difference between those 2 items would be. But I would definitely check it out on Amazon because I saw that that was the lowest price for this product. I have never been good at like round brushing and giving myself a blowout, so I really love how this product just kind of lets me do that, but in an easier way. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm a regular person that reviews products for the average consumer. So all in all, I really love this product. I rate it a 10 out of 10. I'll just wear my hair like this sometimes, of course, blow dry it a little bit more. You can, of course, straighten some flyaway pieces, or sometimes I will blow it out and then curl it, and it really gives my hair a nice volume. I'll insert a picture here of what it looked like whenever I did this first and then curled my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little demo and review. I definitely recommend it, and I'm really satisfied with it. I don't notice any breakage on my hair is not getting frizzy, it's just working really well for my hair type. So if you've tried this product out, let me know your thoughts, or if you have the Revlon one or Dyson Airwrap, you know, let me know what you think about those products. Of course, the Dyson Airwrap is a lot more versatile, there's a lot more attachments and such. That wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
I belong to you. I belong to you.